In this video, we're diving into the essentials of network topology diagrams. We'll explore the different types of network layouts and show you how to build your own with Lucid. To start, let's answer a foundational question. What is a network topology diagram? It is a visual map of a network's layout, showing how different nodes and connections are arranged. Why IT teams need network visualization comes down to clarity. Mapping your infrastructure helps your team troubleshoot faster, maintain security compliance, and plan for future growth with total confidence. Logical versus physical network topologies explained. Physical topology refers to the actual hardware and cabling, while logical topology describes how data moves through the network. Both are crucial for complete visibility. There are several ways to organize a network. Let's look at the common topologies: star, bus, ring, mesh, tree, that power most modern IT environments. A star topology connects everything to a central hub. In a bus layout, nodes share one line. A ring topology connects each device to two others in a circle. For more complexity, mesh topologies offer high redundancy through interconnected nodes, while tree topologies combine star and bus layouts to allow for easy network expansion and hierarchical organization. What symbols are used in network topology diagrams? You'll typically see industry-standard icons for routers, switches, and firewalls. Lucid provides specialized libraries for AWS, Azure, and Cisco to keep things professional. Now that we've covered the theory, let's get practical with a step-by-step tutorial: how to create a network topology diagram using the intelligent features in Lucidchart. First, enable the network shape libraries. Drag and drop your routers and servers onto the canvas. Use the L key to quickly pull out lines and connect your nodes. You can even automate the process. Lucid lets you import data from Excel to generate diagrams instantly, ensuring your documentation stays up to date as your network evolves. Visualizing your network doesn't have to be complicated. Start mapping your infrastructure today with Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming!